Maximize your production efficiency with the dual-head servo can sealing machine. An advanced automatic crimping system designed for high-output canning lines. This robust machine achieves sealing speeds of 80 cans per minute, doubling the capacity of single-head models, making it ideal for beverage, food, and chemical industries requiring large volume production. The machine features full servo control for intelligent operation. Equipped with 8 seaming rollers that operate simultaneously, it ensures perfect double seam integrity on tin, aluminum, plastic, and paper cans.